Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your phone runs Android 8. 0 or newer, NFC is enabled, and you have a secure screen lock. Once done, open Google Pay Wallet and sign in with your Google account. This links your identity to the wallet. Next, tap Add and choose Payment Method. You'll either scan your card or enter details manually. Do this now so the app can reach out to your bank for verification, which proves ownership and prevents fraud. You'll now add a card. Position the card for the camera or type the number, expiry, and CVV. After you submit, the bank must verify you, expect an SMS code, push approval in your banking app, or a short verification call. Once verified, set that card as your default for contactless purchases if you prefer. Also, confirm payment methods are allowed for in-store NFC. This middle phase wires the card to Google's secure token system, keeping the actual number hidden during transactions. You finish by testing a quick tap. Unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal. The phone should vibrate and show confirmation. For online or in-app checkout, pick Google Pay at Payment and confirm. Make sure to manage cards and passes in Wallet, update expiry, or remove old cards. If a payment fails, first check NFC is on, cellular or Wi-Fi is active, and your bank hasn't blocked the card. If needed, remove and re-add the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.